Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Happy Friday. We made it to the end of the week. Do you believe that? And what a week it was. We had some ups and downs, and the S&P 500 closed down 1.2% today, notably below the 50-day moving average, which is a pretty key technical event. So we're going to be watching that. Now, why did the market sell off here today? I think that there's a couple of reasons. One has to do with crude oil. Crude oil is reaching some lofty levels here above $91 a share. And crude oil is an input, at least an indirect input, into basically everything, right? And so when the price of that goes up, that becomes inflationary for everyone else, everything. So that has driven bond and note yields, treasury yields higher. And, when we see those interest rates going up as a result of some arguably inflationary events taking place, that starts getting the market's attention. Now, as far as next week goes, the Fed announcement is going to happen on Wednesday. The Fed fund futures at the CME Group are pricing in a 99% chance of no rate change, just a 1% chance of a 25% or a 25 basis point hike. So that's not likely to be much of an event, and you can kind of see that in the VIX. I mean, the VIX, even with this down move, is still below 14. So what can cause some issues? Well, if oil keeps running up, that could cause some issues. And then what the big news next week is going to be is what the Fed speakers say following the meeting. What Jerome Powell says, especially immediately following the meeting, and then any other speakers that have a speech booked. That's where we're going to be able to glean some information as to what they're thinking going forward. So I hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.